hips and thighs, my whisper sighs. Oh Lord, I think about jumping off of very tall somethings just to see you come running and say the one thing I've been wanting, but no. Let's fast forward to 300 take-out coffees later. I see your profile and your smile on unsuspecting waiters. You dream of my mouth before it called you a lying traitor. You searching every maiden's back for something greater. Baby, was it over? You should lay down on your couch. Was it over when you unbuttoned my blouse? Come here, I whisper in your ear in a dream as you passed out. Baby, was it over then? And is it over now?